Hey there, are you someone trying to incorporate UX, UI, or design in your life? Or are you someone looking to change your careers and want to give UX, UI a shot? Well, if that's you, you're at the right place. This course is the best for someone who wants to give UX, UI design a shot and get a taste of what it's all about. So check out this course and let us know in the comments below your thoughts.
Hey there, eager learners. It seems like you just can't get enough, and we love that enthusiasm. So, we've got a special treat for you, an extra module that goes above and beyond the core content of this course. Consider it a little extra something for those hungry for more knowledge. Now, you might be thinking, why on earth would I want to dive deeper into the world of testing, optimization, and analytics? Isn't the rest of the course already mind-blowing? Well, we get it. Some of you are here because you're the go-getters, the knowledge seekers who want to squeeze every drop of wisdom from this course. Remember, this module is like the bonus level of a video game, an opportunity to unlock even more skills and supercharge your learning. So, in this module, we'll explore the different types of testing and how they play a crucial role in creating a user-centric landing page. So let's get started. Testing is a critical phase in the design process that allows us to gather valuable insights from users and make data-driven decisions. By conducting various tests, we can identify usability issues, understand user behavior, and optimize our designs to deliver an exceptional user experience. Now, let's look at some of the different kinds of testing methods you'll encounter. Number 1, usability testing. This involves observing users as they interact with your landing page to evaluate its ease of use, efficiency, and overall user satisfaction. Usability testing helps uncover pain points and provides actionable feedback for improving the user experience. The second one, A/B testing. A/B testing allows you to compare two different versions of your landing page to determine which one performs better. By testing variables such as layout, content, or call to action buttons, you can make informed decisions on what elements resonate best with your audience. The third one, multivariate testing. Similar to A/B testing, multivariate testing compares multiple variations of different page elements simultaneously. It helps you identify the optimal combination of elements to maximize conversions and engagement. And finally, number 4, accountability testing. This ensures that your landing page is accessible to users with disabilities. And this is a very crucial step. It verifies that your design meets accessibility standards and provides an inclusive experience for all users. Remember, creating a user-centric landing page is all about putting your users first. By incorporating testing into your design process, you ensure that your decisions are driven by data and user insights, resulting in a landing page that truly resonates with your audience. Now, in addition to testing, this module also will briefly cover the exciting topics of optimization and analytics. Let's explore them a little further. Optimization is like making your toy or design even better and more awesome. Just like when you customize your toys to make them cooler or add more features, optimization helps us improve our designs to make them the best they can be. We use data and information to optimize. It's like having a secret treasure map that tells us what people like and what they don't. We look at things like how many people visit our website, what they click on, and how long they stay. This information helps us understand what's working well and what we can make even better. Analytics is like being a detective who solves mysteries. We collect all the information and data about how people use our designs, and then we analyze them. We look for patterns and clues to understand how to make things easier, more exciting, and delightful for people. For example, let's say we have a game with different levels. Analytics can tell us which level is the most challenging or where people get stuck. Then we can make changes to make the game more fun and engaging. When we optimize and use analytics, we are like superheroes making our decisions super amazing. We want people to have the best experience ever, and these tools help us achieve that. So let's embrace the power of testing, optimization, and analytics in UX/UI design. And by doing so, we can create landing pages that not only captivate users, but also achieve our business goals. In this video, we'll go through an exciting activity that will help us put our testing skills into action and gather valuable insights about our landing pages. Are you ready for an interactive experience? Let's get started. So, this activity will be a buddy testing adventure. Step 1, find a buddy. Reach out to someone around you, whether it's a family member, friend, or even a friendly stranger at a cafe. Ask them if they'd be willing to participate in a quick landing page testing activity. Introduce your landing page for step 2. Show your buddy the landing page you'd like to test. Explain that you're seeking their feedback to improve the user experience. Step 3, give clear instructions. Ask your buddy to imagine they are visiting your landing page for the first time. Inform them of the goal or action you want them to take on the page, such as exploring a product or service. Step 4, observe their interaction. As your buddy explores the landing page, pay attention to their actions, facial expressions, and any comments they may make. Take note of areas where they get stuck, express confusion, or seem delighted. Encourage feedback as step 5. After your buddy has spent some time on the landing page, ask them to share their thoughts and impressions. What did they find easy or difficult? Did they encounter any obstacles or have any suggestions for improvement? Step 6, discuss and learn. Engage in a conversation with your buddy about their experience. Ask follow-up questions to gain deeper insights into their thoughts and feelings. Take this opportunity to learn more about their expectations and how well your landing page meets them. Step 7, reflect on the findings. Take the feedback you received from your buddy and reflect on it. Consider their observations, suggestions, and the areas where they struggled. These insights will serve as valuable food for thought for future optimization. Explore further possibilities as step 8. Acknowledge that this activity is just a glimpse into the world of testing and optimization. Step 9, thank your buddy. Express your gratitude to your buddy for their time and valuable input. Let them know that their feedback will be contributed to creating a better user experience for others. Remember, testing and optimization are an ongoing process. The findings from this activity serve as food for thought and provide a starting point for further improvements. In our more in-depth courses on optimization and analytics, you can dive deeper into various techniques and strategies to enhance your landing pages or other products even further. Great job on completing this activity and taking steps to improve your landing pages. You've shown a real knack for testing and optimization. But guess what? This is just the tip of the iceberg in the exciting world of UX/UI design. If you've enjoyed this free course and want to dive deeper, there's so much more to explore. We offer a range of comprehensive courses that cover advanced testing techniques, optimization strategies, and a wealth of UX/UI principles. If you're hungry for more knowledge and want to take your skills to the next level, check out our extended program. Keep up the fantastic work and best of luck on your continued learning journey. There's a whole world of UX/UI waiting for you to explore.
Congratulations if you made it this far. You have what it takes to become a UX/UI designer or incorporate UX in your career. So I highly recommend to keep the momentum going and to finish this course if you haven't already. And if you have, check out Xccelerate.co for more options.